Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very exciting because I got my new PC. Did you see? I got my new PC. This is a Dell Aurora R10. So today I'm gonna do unboxing, a review for my new PC, and my son will help me to translate some English because he's very better than me, you know. So hi Mac.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna help my daddy.
Okay. So right now I think you're gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna open with my knife.
Okay.
Open it.
Yeah.
Wait. Are we gonna open here?
Be careful.
Ooh.
Careful your hands. Wow, it's really big.
Oh, can't do it. Fine. There.
All right.
Oh wow. So okay, like, oh my hell. Oh my goodness. Okay. Dang this damn thing. Oh, so big. Ooh, that was easy.
All right. Be careful.
Oh, another box? Oh my hell. Like, how many boxes are in here?
Oh, you need. Here. What is here? What? No anyone? No anything here? There is no. There is no basic keyboard and mouse. Unbelievable.
Nothing.
Nothing. Why? I don't know why. All right. Wow. You see? Yeah, this is
I freaking can't.
Yeah, you can help me. You can.
It's just. Oh. Now,
All right.
my dad is just
Wow.
gonna open it up.
A little bit disappointed because of there is no they didn't give me anything, any
Only
part of
a
mouse
plugger.
and keyboard.
Only
It's really so sad.
a plugger and a
It's
few
okay,
notes.
because
Weep. We're gonna get back to here. Let's see
Alright.
what we got today. Wow, a big brand new CPU. Oh God, this is heavy.
Wow.
Oh, look at that, so heavy. Don't crash my foot on here. Ah, running. Help me.
This is Aurora R10 Ryzen CPU, Ryzen 7 3700X, and 16 GB with new graphics card NVIDIA 3080. I got this one Black Friday because there is a big sale.
Pretty cheap.
Yup, not cheap. Not cheap.
Like, I mean, like cheaper than the regular.
That's right. Yeah, you are right. So, because you see, it's really beautiful. Really like Alienware.
This is like the alien. Look at this alien. Oh, and will it shine?
Ooh.
Will it shine, Dad? Will it shine, Daddy? Ooh, look at the star. It's beautiful. Look at that star.
Alright, we're gonna.
But,
So,
like, is it gonna light up? Is it gonna have some light?
yup. Yeah, there is a RGB. Some RGBs here.
Where? Let's just quickly.
I think here might be
Here.
here.
I guess
yeah.
it might be here. Oh,
Here,
God.
Yo.
Lovely fun.
Here is the RGB and 3 USB port. That should be a USB 3. And wow.
Pretty big.
Yup.
Oh my goodness, this is like the biggest thing I've ever seen. Well, not including other stuff like computer, whiteboard. Well, this is like the biggest CPU I've ever seen. Lol.
Yeah.
Hee hee. Lol 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 lol.
Right.
Let's get it zipped up.
So here is 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. 4, 5,
1, 2,
like
3,
6,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 USB ports. Fantastic. And one type C port. That's the no, you're gonna no. That's the open.
What will happen if I do it?
You can open this case.
Can I see?
Yeah, sure.
Let's
But
see the inside.
you need the driver.
What?
You need driver to
Oh yeah, I forgot.
open this.
And it's too messy. I'm not gonna do it. Forget about it. Can we set it up? I want to see the light over here. What's this? What's this? Ow.
This is the power
Power
supply.
Oh, it's right there.
Yep. And here is audio. And yeah, pretty cool. And this is RTX 3080 graphics card. And
let me get this set up. Oh, I'm tired. How do I get this sleep? Hello, logo.
now I'm gonna open the case to see what's going on inside. And I really like this design.
Just too heavy.
Yeah,
Way too heavy.
And this is black one. Actually there is the white one.
I like the white one.
you
Why
need-
did you buy?
You need plus $50 if you wanted to choose the white one.
Oh
So-
God. Bye bye.
Yeah, so I don't need that. Right, because yeah, it's
Pretty good.
yeah, not bad.
Let's try opening it.
So I'm gonna open. How to open that? Here, you gonna.
Here he goes. Let's boop. Scoochie doochie.
So you're gonna screw this out, and then right, and push this one. You're gonna. Yep. You open side case, and then just up this one, and then you can pull out this power. All right, there you go.
Look at all these. Ooh, look at their alien. Look at this. There's an alien right here. Look, it's so cute.
This power supply is 1000 watt. Oh, it's really big. The really powerful power supply. 1000. Unbelievable. And take here. No. You see, this is Geforece RTX 3080. Oh, fantastic. And well, but look at the CPU pan. This is normal CPU pan. That's not good.
Whoa, everything looks so heavy right now.
Okay, maybe I can change myself in future, because actually I plan to change my CPU to 5 series and the CPU fan as well. I think so. And here is a 16GB memory stick. And where is the Here is hard drive. This is second hard drive, and the first hard drive is NVMe, I think. Where are they? Oh yeah, there. Did you see over there? Yeah, you can see there. Yeah, there is a SSD NVMe hard drive over there.
Now we're gonna put the cover back.
Alright.
Oh my hell. Right now I was playing a dummy and there's a scammer who was trying to scam my King Bee Doodoo, Fly Potion, Neon Bee, and Dino stuff for Skelly Rex. I hate that thing and I already have it. I'm just gonna, well, right now I'm taking this photo. Video, so I'm just gonna bleep. Be afraid. AFK, away from keyboard. And then blip blip blip, make him so mad at. Why on earth are you not pressing the set button? Lol.
Alright, back.
Okay. There, here we go.
Can
Done.
take off the wrap.
Okay, let's wrap.
Yep.
Ooh la la. Oh, scammer's here. A big scammer who's scamming me. Right now, I'm gonna kill him later. Wait, let me get some idiot pets off.
Alright.
I'm gonna scam you later. Oh my hell, like, this guy is trying to scam me.
Hey, can you focus here?
I gotta see that, sure. Where's the next one?
My God.
Like, how do you open this top case? Oh, there it is.
What?
What on earth is right? I'm pulling hard. I'm doing my best. Come on. Get off here.
Alright, this is my first time unboxing video by English. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and I will share more fantastic video feature. Thanks for watching. See you next time.